Everyone, welcome back to Pink Rose Shopping. I'm here today at Burlington. I haven't been here for a while, guys, so there's got to be lots of new stuff, so let's head in. There's a cute Anne Klein bag for $32. Has this little thing. It's cute. And another one. Wallet. Here's a DKNY. Here's a Vera Wing, I think. For this Vera Wing bag is $25. Here's Puma backpack for $14.99 for that. It's a little holographic logo, so that's cute. Another Vera for $23. I haven't ever heard of this brand before, but this is a cute bag for $30. This is Ardrine Vitondini. Wow, I haven't heard of that one. Oh, look at this. I love this with the chain. It's BB. A Guess bag. It's quite small, but it's still cute. It's $30 for that. And here's another BB bag for $27. Just the regular handle, no chain. That's so cute. This rainbow Juicy Couture bag is $28. And it has the gold on there. They're really cute. And here's a cute Steve Madden backpack too. This Reebok bag here. How much is it? Let's see. It's $14.99 for this bag. What is this? This is cute. Betsy Johnson for $23 for this little backpack. It has the straps that say Betsy. I've never seen a chain quite like this. A matte chain for $38. Not sure on the brand on that one. Here's a Betsy Johnson bag. It's sparkly. Can you see that sparkly? It has a chain handle. Pretty cute. Look, Juicy Couture. $30 for this bag with roses in it. What's this? This is $20 for this bag. It has a chain, but it's plastic. Saw some cute bags over here, so I wanted to show you guys. Here's Puma backpack for $12.99, and then they have this Reebok one in lilac. How much is that? That's $12.99 for the Reebok bag. Here's another Juicy Couture for $25. I like the little lock on there. I think that's cute. Look at this. This is so cute. $18 for this. Wow. This is by the brand Under Oneski. Comes with a little coin purse. It's $23. There's a Cinderella backpack. I assume it's by Disney. Yeah, it is. It's $35. And then look. Steve Madden for $25. Here's another Reebok bag in blue. $14.99. What's up with this little bag? Guess for $29.99. It's got a chain and a handle. It's a Fila bag. Do you guys like Fila? I do. It is, how much is it? You know what? There's no price tag on that. Sorry, guys. There's another one down there. It's $10.99 for that little bag. The Beverly Hills Polo Club. Cute. I didn't know they sold Aeropostale here. It's $16.99 for this cute backpack. And then the Juicy Couture one is $25. I don't know if we showed this yet, but I like it. 9 West. Here's the Steve Madden. $23. Look! This bread is so cute. It's $15. I like that. Here's an Aldo bag. It's $28. What's this? Betsy Johnson? I love Betsy. That's what it's saying. LB love Betsy. $19.99. BB. You can't tell, but it's BB. It's $18. And look at this one, purple. I like this gold right here, and the chain is gold. I like that. Here's a Betsy Johnson with the coin purse. How much? $19.99. It's got hearts in there. Look, this cute Steve Madden bag. It says see-through. Holographic. 23. I would really like to buy that actually. Yeah. Little wallets. I like this Rampage one. It's $5. You really cannot beat that, honestly. Here's the incline one. The Steve Madden one is $14. What about this pink one? I don't know what that brand is. They have the Betsy Johnson one. Look at Betsy Johnson. Incline one. It says AK. Look at this glittery, sparkly one. It's by Betsy Johnson. It is on sale for $9.99 for that. The Tommy Hilfiger wallet for $17. Here's a rainbow one, Steve Madden rainbow. $15. This Guess one here is $33. Jones, New York. $8.99. Really good deals on these wallets, y'all. Seriously. Got the shoes now. Check out these shoes by BCBJ. They're purple with the little see-through. These are $27. There's these Nautica flip-flops with the platform. They are $14.99 for those. Look at these. These are so cute. From Forever 21. Wow, those are on sale clearance for $13. How about these Michael Kors sneakers with the rainbow? And look, it's glittery too. $26.99. These are cute. These flip flops by Betsy Johnson. See the butterfly? It's cute. These are $19.99 or $20. The Juicy Couture slides with the flower. They're on clearance for $8. These Calvin Klein ones, I actually like this heel. It's way more comfortable. These are $24. These Union Bay sandals, purple, are $15 for these. How about these Report heels in clear? They're $20. Again, I like the heels, more comfortable. These are so interesting to me. By Chinese Laundry. They're $20. Interesting. Oh, look. Nanette. Sorry, there you go. Nanette. Here's some cute. There they are, I think, the same ones. Let's see. I don't know what the price is. Oh, wait. It's $15.99. $15.99 for that. Champion slides. It's $20 here at Burlington. These Nautica wedge heel espadrilles. $23 by Nautica. Look at these boots. I want these. $26. I like those a lot. I might get those. $27 for this. Right here with the flowers. Not sure on the brand on that. Oh, it's Maroni, I think. Yeah. Calvin Klein wedges with the espadrille. $37. It looks like cork, you know. And here's a Union Bay slides for $15. We've seen these, but actually they have the little metal on there for this one. It's different from the other ones. $22. I'm gonna put a little baby shoe there. How about these Mark Fishers? Do you guys like this type of shoe? Let me know. Let me know. It's on clearance for $11. Oh, mud. What is the fabric? It's like the same fabric as a Croc for $15 for that. These Tommy Hilfigers, You know, that is interesting to me how they have the strap like that. It's Velcro. Anyways, $18 on clearance. I see these cute Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture, everything is cute. I don't know. I like all their stuff. That's $20. The DKNY heels on clearance for $23. Let's see what's over here. Oh, these are cute. By the brand Sugar. It's almost summer, you know. $15 for those. These Nanette Lepore, $23. They have a little chain. How cute is that? Some Tommy Hilfiger slides. $17.99. Alright, how about these slippers? They're from H&M. They're $30 at H&M, but what are they here? I don't know if they even have a discount on that. They're soft though. This brand is $12 for these sandals. I like these Tommy Hilfiger sandals. They're $17.99. Home Decor. So they're setting up for summer. You can tell. Look at the beachy vibes. This little starfish thing, $8. They have it in gold too. And they have the lighthouse. This starfish guy, he is $5.99. The mermaid girl. This potted plant, $17. It says happiness is a day at the beach. Okay, they have these little bicycle flower things for $15. Different little bicycle stuff. Then down there they have another bicycle stuff for $25 for your yard, for your garden, I assume. Okay, look at Nanette Lepore cross with little diamonds or whatever. Look at this. I actually like that. $20. That's nice. They have the Buddha statue. This thing here. What is it? It's just to put your keys in or whatever. This goblet. These are all by Nanette Lepore, by the way, guys. This giraffe for $8. Some like elephants and stuff. This elephant here. And this one here. Is this a candle holder? I don't know what that is. It's a Buddha statue with mirrors and glass in it. And look at his head. This is a statue. It's sort of random. Here's the little people. This one here, the elephant. It says blessed. Here's another elephant in gold. I think this is like the Nanette Lepore because I see this all over. Yeah, it is. A jewelry box. These little candle holders, they're by Nanette Lepore too. It says Mr. and Mrs. and home with the shells. Little heart. These hourglasses. Yeah. Over here, we have this home sign. I don't know if that's for indoor or outdoor. I'm pretty sure it's for indoor. This is on clearance for $6.99 for the little pumpkin. Hey, before you know it, it's gonna be full. Okay, look at the little bird. $7. What does this say? This is us. They're holding hands. That's cute. Guys, well, that about wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for regularly updated comment. And you can hit the bell if you want to be notified of all my upcoming videos. So, anyways, see you next time.